So we have had this problem for a couple centuries, but over time we have been working to get rid of this problem. We have never been so close. We're almost there, because in our 10 regions, we have eliminated lymphatic filaria from 8 of those 10 regions. But we got 2 regions, and there are places in these 2 regions that have been a little bit stubborn, right? So the 2 regions that we're talking about is regions 4 and regions 3. And within region 3, there are specific communities where we have seen that we need to do a little bit more work. Similar for region 4, right? And that is why we are going back this year to ensure that we cover these areas thoroughly. And I think if we do that, we are going to be able to then say, sometime next year or the year after, that we have eliminated from all the regions in Guyana.
I'm pleased that once the initiative was announced, Guyana, through your minister, immediately jumped on the bandwagon. And the first thing, I think Guyana was one of the first countries to set up what we call a disease elimination committee. So one of the first countries to establish this committee to coordinate the elimination of different diseases. But also, Guyana is also one of the countries really working to eliminate lymphatic filariasis in the Americas. And I'm pleased also that Guyana was one of the countries that has worked really hard, even during the COVID-19 pandemic, I'm told, and I'm sure many of you were part of the campaign, to try and get the drugs to people in the communities. We know that this initiative uses 3 drugs, and those 3 drugs, you are here as field officers to administer them to your communities. You are here to ensure that people take these medications. And we are here to ensure that you reach the people.
So what does this elimination mean for us as a people? It means that we're going to be protecting lives. We're not going to just talk about it, we're going to actually do it. And not just with medicine, but with trust and with compassion and action. It means that we'll be helping in suffering, and not in theory, but in our very own communities.